Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel PorcelainPurgatory. Today I am doing another unbagging / review video. This particular item is a Gothic Victorian coat, and I have seen photos of it sent by the person I keep in contact from Rave Australia, and holy crap, am I excited for this particular piece. I've always been very fascinated with the sort of Gothic Victorian look in particular. I'm not exactly wearing that today. I do like to have a bit of variety here and there, thus why I've got this shirt, which you would have seen in the previous video, which I definitely recommend you have a look at. But Gothic Victorian is my above all favourite style. Even like seeing it in movies gets me really excited, so I'm definitely looking forward to unbagging this piece. One thing I did want to mention though is, as with all of these reviews so far, I am getting these products for free, but the reviews themselves are very honest. They're my personal opinion. I don't represent the brand. I'm not being paid to be positive or anything like that. So yeah, how about we get on to unbagging. So, trusty pocket knife. So as you can see, it's got another baggage on one side, which should help to protect it. I've never had any issues with damage or anything coming in the mail, but it's good to know that they do prepare for that, like just in case. Okay, now we cut the second part. Having a little trouble opening it. I'm very slow when it comes to unbagging things. Ooh, this is a big one. Okay. As you can see, here's the official Rave bag that it comes in, off the back. They always arrive really quick. Like, I only found out I was doing this review a few days ago and it's already here, so that was definitely exciting. Time to open it up. So in the middle you've got these little bits that sort of hook over to keep it together, so that way it does separate. Yeah, so it separates down the middle, that way it's easier to put on and off. It has like a fake extra bit, like it's not fake, but like it's attached to it. It's not two pieces, it's one piece. Look at all these beautiful floral design. And it even like continues on the back, like it's very consistently beautiful. Oh, I'm in love with this, wow. At the front you can see there's little pockets, and they're actual pockets. I thought these were fake for a moment. They're not very deep in terms of storage, like it won't store very much, but I am impressed that they did actually include real pockets instead of just doing like that flat to pretend they are. I was gonna review this with a better shirt. Currently that's drying, so I'm just gonna pop it over this shirt because I just, it's so pretty. Before I do get onto putting it on though, I did want to talk about a couple of other aspects of this. So in regards to customer service, as always, Rave has always been really responsive and open-minded. I was originally going to be reviewing a different sort of outfit set, of which included a kilt, and I don't really feel comfortable wearing that. So I did briefly mention this to them. I didn't really expect them to say anything of it. I didn't really expect them to do anything. It seems that they really like value my opinion, and instead of sending that out anyway, they sent me something different. This is a medium size, by the way, so it might end up being a little bigger on me since I could easily fit a size small. I figured a size medium would be better since I'll be wearing layers. Like typically you would wear this over like a blouse. So yeah. I'm just looking at the details over again, and it's just so beautiful. I love how intricate and just, these are just so stunning, and it's very soft. I haven't shown you this part. On the inside, like over here, it looks like it's kind of got like that waterproof sort of fabric. Like I don't think it is waterproof, but it's that kind of feel you get like on the inside of leather jackets when they have that extra layer. So it's really pleasant to touch. It's, yeah, I'm going to put it on and stop rambling because I can't articulate how excited I am for this piece and how thankful I am to have it. Yeah, let's get on with it. Hello again everybody, so this is the piece. So I am wearing it with this shirt again, which is a little odd since the two don't go together very well. But like I've mentioned before, I've just washed all my clothes, so they're still drying. I wasn't expecting this to arrive quite so fast, so as you can see it's got like this buttons up the middle that they go through like this little loop, and it's like a little ball of fabric. They're a little difficult to do, like my hands. I might just be because I'm wearing gloves at the moment, but I found them a little difficult to get through the holes, but they look so good. In here it feels like velvet or something similar, and it looks really pretty. Like, look at the colour. Look at the colour, man. I don't have the very top one up because I couldn't quite get that with my... I can't see very well in the mirror. I couldn't figure out how to get that on. So here's the back. And the front again. Ah, I love this piece, man. It does fit a little strange just here, like it keeps puffing up to be like that. It might just be a sizing issue, or it might be that I'm not wearing it with the right type of shirt yet. But overall, this is a wonderful piece, and holy crap, I love it. Like, to have this sort of option available to you, like, and like at a reasonable price, like just mind-blowing, like how something so beautiful and intricate can be available to everyday people. Oh my god, I'm in love with it. It's so beautiful. Like, it's the patterns are actually a bit lighter than they look like on the website, so you can actually see them a lot easier. You can see the detail, and there's more contrast between the two pieces, so you can like truly appreciate it even at a distance. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys again because, like, look at it. Look at it. It's just like ah. I really love this piece, and I'm really thankful Punk Rave sent this particular one out to me. I definitely wasn't expecting it, and I definitely appreciate it. In terms of sizing in comparison to their size charts, I feel like it's fairly accurate. Like, I wouldn't go a size bigger or smaller. So if you're a size small, go for a size small. Obviously though, like, measure yourself and check their size charts. Their size charts are fairly accurate. If you're uncertain, definitely just measure yourself and then compare it to their charts and use whatever size they recommend. Obviously I'm tiny, so whatever I get is gonna be slightly too big on me no matter what. Like, it's... Oh, I'm so excited I have this. And like, I love that it like trails at the back. It's floppy. Like, I love trailing things that trail behind you. But like the fact that it like comes down to like the back of my knees, sort of. It's a bit hard to tell because if I look to the side, it kind of moves a bit. But like it looks like it comes to the back of my knees, which is like a perfect length for me. Like, I like that. That looks really aesthetically pleasing. Hello again. So I'm wearing the piece in the background, as you can see. It's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. I have to say, my favorite thing is this extra like layering bit. It also makes it multi-styleable. So like what I was trying to show you before, you can fold it down, and that's one outfit, and then you fold it back up. I think I like it folded up just a little bit more. The quality's outstanding, as it's definitely my favourite piece, and I think it's the most intricate piece I've gotten from Punk Rave at this time. The material is very soft, it's comfortable, it's not very tight, so it's not suffocating. Shipping only took like a few days to get here. I got told I was reviewing this piece maybe 5 days ago, but then it got changed maybe 2 days ago. So it arrived in practically no time at all, and it looked like it was just the regular postage, not the express or anything like that. It fits really well, so like really comfortably. Even with somebody with really short shoulders, it still looks really good. It doesn't look like bulky or baggy or anything like that, which was a bit of a concern at first. I love this piece so much. Like, it's so beautiful, and it's hard to formulate words when I do these reviews sometimes, because I get so excited and happy. It's like, you love looking at something for so long, you see it in media and you dream about it, but you never think you'll actually get it, and having it it makes you feel more like yourself, because you know this is the type of thing you love and the thing that you've always wanted, and here you are finally with that, finally wearing it. And I find that's beautiful, like, especially in a world where there's like so much judgment towards people. You've definitely got to have a lot of self-confidence to be able to dress in attire that's deemed as alternative or not normal. So having a piece that's so intricately detailed, so well designed, definitely helps with that confidence. I need to put glasses on, I can't see. But like, it's so brilliant. And I know I've repeated myself a lot of times now, but holy fuck do I love this piece. I wanted to say thank you again to Punk Rave for sending me this piece. I'm incredibly in love with it and I'm incredibly appreciative. And to you, the viewers, I hope this review helps you in some way to decide in future if you want something like this. I definitely recommend it, and I definitely recommend Punk Rave Australia in general. So if you want something like this, definitely check them out. Their link will be in the description. They do have a YouTube, so my review videos show up on their channel before it shows up on my channel. So yeah, definitely feel free to give them a subscribe. There's other reviewers on their channel. Anyway, so that concludes this video. Thank you again to Punk Rave. Thank you to all of you guys who are watching. And all I ask is that you look after yourself and look after each other. Have a lovely day, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye!